Microsoft just put durable execution inside your Postgres database, and honestly, this might finally kill your complex cron job setup. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today on GitHub Trending. It is June 7, 2026, and the repo list today is absolutely stacked with AI breakthroughs. We are seeing a massive shift towards specialized AI skills and agents that actually learn from you instead of just following static prompts. Let's get into it. First up is Last 30 Days Skill by mvanhorn. This is a Python-powered AI research agent that doesn't just search the web. It pulls from Reddit, YouTube, and even Polymarket to get a grounded summary of what's actually happening right now. It's trending with over 1,000 stars today. The wild part? It uses real money predictions from Polymarket to weight its summaries. This means it values skin in the game over just noise. You can install it as a plugin for Claude Code or any agent skills host using a simple npx command. It's perfect for tracking fast-moving trends. If you're tired of hallucinating AIs, this grounded approach is exactly what you need to keep your research accurate and current. Next is Taste Skill by Leonxlnx. This project solves a massive problem we've all seen: AI-generated front-end slop. It's a collection of portable agent skills designed to give your AI actual good taste when building UI. Think better typography, motion, and spacing. Why does this matter? Because most LLMs default to the most generic, boring layouts imaginable. This repo forces them to use premium design principles. It even includes image generation skills for reference boards. You pair these with ChatGPT images to create a vibe before the agent starts coding. It's blowing up with over 35,000 stars total. If you're vibe coding your next project, you definitely want to add this to your toolkit. NousResearch is back with hermes-agent, and this one is pretty incredible. It is an agent that actually grows with you over time. Unlike most bots that forget everything once the context window clears, Hermes builds a deepening model of who you are and how you work. It creates skills from experience and searches its own past conversations to stay consistent. It's sitting at a staggering 185,000 stars. The coolest detail is that it's cloud native. You can talk to it via Telegram while it runs on a cheap $5 VPS. If you want an assistant that feels like a long-term partner rather than a stateless script, Hermes is the project to watch. Now we transition to Open Notebook by lfnovo. This is an open source, privacy-focused alternative to Google's Notebook LM. It's built with TypeScript and gives you way more flexibility and features than the original while keeping all your research data private. How is it different? It allows you to define your own workflows and deploy it anywhere. It's gaining about 500 stars a day right now. For students and researchers who can't upload sensitive documents to Google, this is a total game changer for localized AI learning. It's got a great Discord community and a solid roadmap. Honestly, it's one of the best examples of open source taking on big tech features. project-nomad from Crosstalk-Solutions is one of the most unique repos I've seen. It stands for Node for offline media, archives, and data. It is a self-contained survival computer packed with critical tools, knowledge, and AI that works completely offline for emergency situations. It's built on Debian and uses a terminal-based install script to set up a full server you can access through any local browser. The project includes archives of critical knowledge that never go offline. It's hitting nearly 30,000 stars as people look for digital resilience. Whether you're a prepper or just want a local knowledge base that doesn't depend on an ISP, project-nomad is extremely impressive. Engineers are going to love turbovec by RyanCodrai. It is a vector index written in Rust with Python bindings built on Google's TurboQuant. It claims to be faster than FAISS and uses significantly less RAM. For example, a 31 gigabyte corpus can fit into just 4 gigabytes. The magic here? No separate training phase. You just add your vectors, and they are indexed immediately with nearly zero distortion. It uses handwritten AVX 512 and Neon ARM kernels to squeeze out every drop of performance from your hardware. If you are running RAG at scale and your memory bills are hurting, you need to check out these benchmarks immediately. ChinaTextbook is pulling massive numbers today. It's an open source repository containing basically every primary, secondary, and college textbook PDF. It's sitting at over 72,000 stars. The goal is to provide free access to education and stop people from selling watermarked versions. Why is it trending? It's a massive effort for educational equality, especially for overseas families who want to keep up with domestic curriculum. The repo covers everything from math to history across all grade levels. It's a goldmine of data for anyone building educational AI models too. It's a great example of GitHub being used as a massive public library for the world. Truly a massive contribution to the community. Finally, we have PG Durable from Microsoft. This brings durable execution directly into the PostgreSQL database itself. It allows for long-running, fault-tolerant SQL functions that checkpoint every step. No more stitching together workers and queues for background jobs. This is huge because it means you can define complex AI workflows entirely in SQL and trust they'll resume even after a crash. Microsoft is making a big play here to bring compute closer to the data, and honestly, it's making Postgres look like a complete backend platform. It works with Postgres 17 and 18. If you're building reliable pipelines, this should be at the top of your review list. A huge thank you to all the amazing contributors behind these projects for pushing open source forward. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.